meeting tu bersusunan.
Menteri Badai Pet ya katanat PHE Marcuise and Marak ulaong bawat la uslap ulahap hanong ba Shillong bat haka East KHASI Hills barok kawe karilum Garo kadang yai Tyrhong kat manang mi kisngi nakadaw Duna Palat ka jinghap slap ulaong bakan sa shimpor katu kat ne ban pin KM biang ya ki Tyrhong harilum Garo habakran chapang ka jingdon jong ka umarak ulaong bakadon ka jaka pelang hadam mau plang nakabenta ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme kat ba amdan satya kumkani harilum Garo ulaong basyen hadin balawengno ya ka kendon Model Code of Conduct ngin sa penlong ya ka jingelang hakaba ngin sa jurip ya ki project baper hapo ka jilla.
Downpour. Yesterday also was there, I was told. But in Garo Hills, it's not up to the mark till now. There are rains in Garo Hills also, but it will take some more time to rejuvenate the process in Garo Hills. Storage for Shillong Water Supply Scheme we have there in the Maplang Dam. But however, in Garo Hills, we are still having scarcities because of insufficient rainfall coming in. I'm just waiting for the MCC to be lifted. Once MCC is lifted, I'll have a review meeting in Garo Hills also, and I will be inspecting a number of projects there in Garo Hills and as well as in KHASI Hills also. And only after that we'll be able to take corrective measures if required.
Kasang HYC West